Hello everyone, welcome back to my Cairo stream. In this stream, we will be creating a ERC20 token contract from scratch. We will be using, it's not from scratch, we will be using, OpenZeppelin library for that. So let's just start this with this, Cairo Smart Contracts repository. So I've already created this repository, and this includes some setup and some base contracts. If you watched my previous streams, you might be already aware of that, but if you are not aware, you just need to go through the readme if you want to do the development setup for Cairo smart contracts. I've already attached a link for this repository in the stream description, so feel free to check that out. Okay, let's start with this. Let's start with the development of this contract. So we go to OpenZeppelin repository. Let's see what is there. Okay, we need contracts in Cairo, but we will also go to its GitHub repository, which I think is already open. So let me close this. Close this. Let's close these things. Okay. So open Zeppelin Cairo. Let's open this Cairo contracts repository. Okay. First of all, to use this repository, we need to, you know, we need to import this. So let's, put this in our. Let me close this. Okay. So let's put this in our scarptoml file. Okay. And we will just run, this carb build. Okay. So it should fetch everything. So it will be fetching everything. Now let's just create a new file. Let's say, so we'll create a token for, let's say, a voting or election. Anybody who have this token will be able to vote on the matters of importance, right? So let's say dev DAO token. Okay, dev, or maybe we'll just create a something called, you know uh, dev t dev t, yeah. Okay, so dev t token dot Cairo. Okay, so now let me just let me just see what is there. So what we are doing is we are just you know adding the supply, which is initial supply. Okay, and name and everything. Okay, so maybe be unsupported Cairo book. Let's just try to use this as a base. Just a minute. Yeah, so let's code this. So I've already opened this repository in my second monitor, so that it's helpful to me. But okay, so to create a contract, we just use, let's say, contract. Okay, it will create a Starknet contract for us, and let's say dev token. Okay. Okay, so the storage we need to define. We don't need the events right now, but what we'll do is we need to import a couple of things. So contract address, contract address, contract address. Okay, and then we need to import from OpenZeppelin. OpenZeppelin token ERC20 and ERC20. Okay, now let's define the constructor as well. Okay, constructor, it will take two things. First of all is first of all it will take the initial supply, which is U256, and then it will take a recipient, which is also a contract address. This is sort of the owner of this particular token minting thing, right? So let name dev token and let symbol equals to dev t. Okay. Okay. Now what next? What next is we play music maybe. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we go to dev token. Okay, so we have created name and symbol. Now what you do? Right, mute unsafe state. Unsafe state to ERC20. Unsafe state contract state. I'm not sure what this method is, but we'll figure this out. Now we do ERC20 internal internal implementation initializer. Okay, and grab unsafe state name and symbol. Okay, then we do ERC20 internal implementation underscore mint. Okay, grab unsafe state recipient and initial supply. Okay, I guess that is constructor. Okay, external function. So let's create one external function. External v0. Okay, contract state, and it will return us the felt 252. Let unsafe state is equals to ERC20 save contract state unsafe new contract state unsafe new contract state. New contract state. Okay, and then ERC20 implementation name, and we passed the snapshot of that unsafe state. So that's pretty much that what our OpenZeppelin doc is suggesting. So let's just let's try to mod dev token at Cairo. Okay, Let's try to build this. Build. Hmm. Okay, so it works fine. Okay, now let me just once source testnet env. I want to deploy this on testnet. Okay, so let's see. uh, Starkly declare and target dev, and dev Cairo contracts dev. No, let me see. Okay, so wait a minute. Build clean build. Hmm. So there are some errors. Let's see what are these, errors are. Okay. Uh, FN name, obviously. Yeah. Every time it is fetching, right? Maybe we can define a version, right? Maybe we can define a version there. Let me see. We can define a version. Maybe we have done that already. Let's see. We've already defined the tag. Okay, so let's see. Now in target dev we have dev token. Okay, starkly declare target dev theorem. Okay, okay, so the class hash is declared. Starkly deploy, and we are going to pass the constructor arguments. So the constructor has 3 arguments. So let's say token supply is 1,000, 10,000, lakh, million. We have 10 million tokens. Okay, so now the address to which I want to send these million tokens is not this one. It's not this one. It's this one, right? Let's do it. Let's get a million tokens, million step token. Okay, let's see. Okay, it fails. Fail to deserialize. Okay. Fail to deserialize. Okay, I mean that is okay. So maybe we pass, maybe it's not a good idea. Yeah, maybe we pass, let's see, converter. Uh, we can pass this, and we then pass the address. Hill to decentralized parameter 1. That's interesting. Hmm. 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 So, what could be the issue? Hmm. 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 Okay, I think I get the issue. Let me just do this self contract state. Okay, let me out and save state. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay, let's just see. Okay, initializer, name and symbol. External web token implementation of IERC. Maybe no. Okay. Great. Maybe we define something like Starknet interface. Right. IERs dev token, IDEV token, let's say. Okay. And FN name alt 252.
Gotta put the time in, gotta put the grind in if you wanna be a hero. They'll only defeat you if you let the fear through. You know what you gotta do. Everywhere you go, danger's gonna find you. You can do what I do. You can learn to fight too. You can beat them all. Adventure's gonna take you into something brand new. So you
Contract
better come
state.
through. You can beat them all. It's all come to this.
File 252.
It's your time to win.
Okay, and we just to let me out save state. And ERC20 implementation name unsafe state. Okay. I'd have to open trade exist. Okay, let's see. Rate not found. Rate. Okay. Use ITAB token. Okay. Could not create API from contract modules. Stock clean. Starknet contract. Do not create API from contract submodule. No. Okay. Okay. Use Open Zeppelin token ERC20 interface ERC20. Okay, so we don't need this. Okay. Append. Okay, let's see. Symbol. Cell. Contract state. Belt. 252. Symbol. Now what are these other methods? Okay, for decimals. Okay, and decimals, total supply, balance of, okay, total supply, balance of, allowance, transfer from, and accrued. Okay. So we need to put all of the method, right? So we basically need to put all these methods there. So at contract state, okay. ERC20 implementation decimal. Save state. Okay. Contract state. Product state. Balance of. Okay, contract address. Allowance. Owner spend. Contract state. Contract state. Transfer recipient amount. Transfer underscore from. Okay. Contract state. True. Sender recipient amount. Vendor. Okay, I mean, this is makes sense when you need it. Let's see, what is this saying?
It doesn't worry you. You crave, you're strong, you're brave, you'll fight for long. You've got the patience to be strong. It kicks you, breaks you, bites you, makes you forget yourself to see it through. It beats you, takes you, whips and shakes you till you finally trust the nature in you. Fictions ripped at the seams, bleeding through all extremes. When you believe, then you let it be. It's all in what you see.
Right now, documents are not really that, accessible.
seconds in the sky, with a wide open view and a shadow of you. I can see it anew, with laughter flow, things
Okay.
I know. My sights between the earth and the sky, supposed to grow, dive in and let go, trusting in the reasons why. Building up my daydreams, breaking through all extremes. When you believe, then all you see are pathways to what you see. The key to breathe.
Maybe we are going this with the wrong way, right? Maybe we don't need any of this stuff.
I cannot fight this time. While you're running
Stop
through
it.
my mind, it's getting hard to try and be the only one you need. I can't sleep, it's lonely. Trying
Could not create API from contract module.
never get better if I try to be all alone.
Could not create.
If I try to be if I try to be all alone.
Let's see if there is any example, you know. Let's see any example. CRC.
If I just try to hide and lock everything inside, my head is spinning, visions blurring. I don't mind. I can't sleep, it's lonely. Trying to be all on my own. I'll never get better if I try to be all alone.
So how does it implements? Opens. Why does it work?
If I try to be all alone.
Okay. Okay. Caused by got unexpected type. Hmm. 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 Let's add a new file. Cairo. Okay, that means the issue is in our file only. Okay. Starkly declare target dev Cairo contracts token my token Sierra. Okay. Mm, and Starkly declare deploy. Let's say the supply is million, and I'm going to give this supply to myself, obviously. Okay. Fail to deserialize parameter 1. Fail to deserialize.
Know she feeling good when that nigga hop in. Body dripping sweat, gotta hide up in the pen. Send me get on top, now I'm about to handle it. Send me get on top, now I'm about to blitz. She just wanna chat to a nigga, blah blah. I don't hear these words, baby, get up on top. We can switch the rules, baby, I can write shot. But you better put your hands, let it cock. Shots when they blow, even though, give it time. Fill with it, you rather little, that's the wine. We can burn the whip, and baby, I can let you drive. Pushing on the gas all through the damn night.
Fail to deserialize.
Know she feeling good when a nigga hop in. Body dripping sweat, gotta hide up in the pen. Send me get on top, now I'm about to handle this. Send me get on top, now I'm about to blitz. She just wanna chat to a nigga, blah blah. I don't get these words, baby, get up on top. You can switch the roles, baby, I can write shot. But she better with your hands, let it cock. Shots when they blow, baby, don't give it time. Fell with a nigga, run a little dirty.
Okay, guys. I'll be back in half an hour, maybe.
She just wanna chat